With the price of Sarasota, Florida homes reaching an all-time high, it is an absolute necessity to have affordable housing here in this beautiful city. And friends, if you're looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, affordable home in a resort-style community, boy oh boy do we have one here on our hands today. This gorgeous home is located at 3827 Ryan Street here in beautiful Sarasota, Florida, and holy pajoli, this screams affordability. That's right, friends. We're back at it again here in one of my favorite areas in the entire state, Sarasota, Florida. And today we are back in the Winds of St. Armands, a unique 45 and older community that is gated with a gorgeous pool and is dog friendly. This particular home has so many updates, including a new electrical panel, new plumbing, new flooring, this gorgeous updated kitchen, and so much more. So, if you're in the market for a low-cost home in a very expensive area, then I invite you to come take a look at this virtual tour with us today. And, well, turn up the TV nice and loud, grab your snacks, and let's go see if we can find Uncle Harry. And come with me to come take a look at this low-cost home in Sarasota, Florida. Man, I am so excited to be back in beautiful Sarasota, Florida here today. This afternoon, we're featuring the Winds of St. Armands, a destination location unlike any other in Sarasota, Florida. It's 45 and older, pet-friendly with gorgeous amenities, and the location cannot be beat. About 10 minutes away from Siesta Key. Shopping and dining is right outside of the community at University Town Center, and so much more. Now, friends, what we're going to do on this virtual tour is I'll take a quick walk around the outside, I'll jump in the inside, and you guessed it, we will finish up the video with everybody's favorite section, the numbers section. So, with all that out of the way, friends, if you're ready, I'm ready, and welcome to the virtual tour of this beautiful home located at 3827 Ryan Street here in sunny, beautiful Sarasota, Florida. Now, you all know the drill. Before we get walking in talking, let's get an idea of exactly where we're located at here in the park. If I come on down here, past the red car on the right, I'm going to take a quick right, and then it's going to loop us back around to the front of the neighborhood. If I come on over here, you will see a stop sign about 100 yards down on the right side. I take a quick left, and that's going to loop us back over to the gorgeous pool and amenity center. So 3827 has been totally updated from top to bottom, and I cannot wait to let you know of all the updates. So let's not waste any time and let's jump on in. Now, I know I'm going to read it in the comments section. Mark, where's the carport? Well, you silly goose, there's not one. But good news, I have a massive parking pad, and if you want to add a carport in here, you absolutely could. Just do everybody a favor and check with the park manager before you do so. I got a storage shed. I'm missing a key, but fear not. We do not have a lot to look at in that storage shed because the home has all new plumbing throughout. That's right. We have a dishwasher and indoor laundry in the home. Now, this late 1970s home also has a full vinyl wrap all the way around it, bringing an updated look. An updated AC there in the corner, humming like a drum, keeping us nice and cool on an otherwise very warm spring afternoon here. Now, this 2-bed, 2-bath property has quite a few updates all the way around. But here is a big thing. If you're looking to update a property or you're buying a brand new home, you want to make sure you get a licensed professional to do the work. So many times I see people get connected with other folks who are not licensed and they have bad work done. I don't want that to be you. That's actually one of the top 10 mistakes I see people make in this industry. The other 9 are going to be put together in a free PDF that you can download today at themobilehomeschool.com. Now, in this virtual tour, we'll do things a little bit different. I'm going to jump in the screen-in porch to start off the inside tour. 2 easy concrete steps are going to jump us right in to the area here. One of my favorite parts of the home, and I'll tell you why. Number one, I have the indoor-outdoor carpet has been stripped, and I just have a painted concrete floor. Why am I such a fan? Well, it's going to be an easy setup for you to make this beautiful house your home. So if you want to keep it this way, you want to have the beautiful screens set up in here to be able to keep that airflow from the water, you definitely can. Or you can wall it out or put windows in here and add AC. As you see, we got plenty of power there in the corner. Make it a full living spot. That is for sure. Birds are out coming and saying hi to us. They know the mobile home dealer is here, but they're more interested with what you think of this home. And let us know in the comments below what your initial impression is. Now, as you can see, we are jumping right into the upgrades right when we get in here. Number one, we got new overflooring and subflooring here with the tiles transitioning now to this nicely done, very rich looking luxury vinyl plank. Updated lighting all the way throughout the home. You'll see that. Fresh coat of paint on the inside, making it smell nice and fresh. The kitchen has been stripped down to the studs. I really like how they did it. We have a real subway tile backsplash all the way around. Additional cabinetry puts in that gorgeous Whirlpool dishwasher with the updated plumbing throughout the home. New appliances. You have additional updated lighting fixtures there and a new countertop and sink. Now, as I roll over into the hallway, excuse me, I popped open the hallway doors to reveal a whole lot of big money upgrades. Number one, we got the updated plumbing, as I mentioned on the walk around. New laundry units that are functional and staying with the home. I got a new hot water tank there in the corner, making it easy for service to be done. And take a look at this. Let me pop this guy open. I do have an updated electrical panel here as well. So if you're new to this style of housing, the electrical panel is going to run you several $1,000s. Same with the plumbing and the same with the hot water tank. Okay, so we're looking at a lot of money right here. That has already been done. As I come on down the hallway, I'm going to wrap back around this gorgeous redone bathroom. We got granite countertops, a new tub shower combo, new tile wraparound, of course, more lighting fixtures, new toilet, and that gorgeous flooring that's carrying on around. My side access door is going to take us back around to the parking pad that you're familiar with seeing, with a jacket closet here as I come in. So I wrap around to the primary bedroom in the back. Love the paint. Fresh all the way around. The extra trim. More new lighting fixtures. New carpet. So I wrap around. I do have my ensuite bath here. Looking slick. The updated toilet. New vanity. And plenty of space. So come in here, I do have my air return. The business section, as they say. So if you have a technician who needs to come in and do some work, it's nice having it right by the side door here for an access point. Our second bedroom, very good size. Carrying over the newer paint from the primary, same carpet style, and then a gorgeous side-by-side closet for plenty of space. So I'll tell you what, 3827 is an absolute winner when we were talking about the need for affordable housing here in Sarasota, Florida. If you're not familiar with Sarasota, Florida, it's one of the highest cost districts to live in on the Gulf Coast. Trying to find affordable housing, affordable apartment rentals are non-existent. If you want a 2-bed, 2-bath like this home, your average apartment is going to run you easily north of $3,000 a month. Single family homes, let's not even talk about that. That's a whole nother story. So when you're talking about buying an affordable house and paying lot rent, it's definitely an option worth considering when you're talking about this gorgeous of an area. So much so, in fact, when we get to the number section here in a moment, I guarantee you, you're going to be shocked at the price that this home is coming to market at. Well, what do you think of this home tour? Let us know in the comments below what your favorite feature is of this Sarasota, Florida home. Me personally, it's got to be the value. A new electrical panel, updated plumbing, those two items alone will be about $15,000 in upgrades, if you can find the labor. Now, before we talk about pricing, I want to invite you to come take a look at our company website. sellmobilehome.com is the go-to site for all of our inventory, educational content, and so much more. If you haven't yet done so, I want to personally invite you to come join the Mobile Home Dealer YouTube community by smashing that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime, and I look forward to seeing you a part of the community. Now, when we're talking about pricing, this home is coming in hot, on the nose at $55,000, and the seller is taking offers. Lot rent for this updated home in Sarasota is about $1,000 a month, which is one of the lowest lot rents here in the area. Now, that's going to cover the beautiful amenities, quite a few utilities, and so much more. Now, friends, if this is of interest for you or somebody that you know, we're going to go ahead and put Samuel and Melinda's contact on the bottom of the screen here. Now, they're the dynamic duo who are doing a fantastic job throughout the Sarasota market with the Mobile Home Dealer team. Give them a holler, send them a text, and let them know that you're interested in the home located at 3827 Ryan Street here in Sarasota, and they will be more than happy to help answer all of your questions. But hey, real quick before you go, there's going to be another listing of Samuel's pop up right over my finger. Take a look at that video. Let us know which one you like more. Well, friends, that wraps up my time here in beautiful Sarasota. Thank you so much for coming with us today to the Winds of St. Armands. Take a look at this beautiful home. As always, my name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer, and we'll see you all on the next one.